everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. I've not actually purchased from this company for quite a while, but I did get an email to say they had some stuff on offer, so I thought I'd go and check it out. And the reason I don't really go on this website is because it's just so annoying. It's so slow. I've never known a website like it since dial-up days. It's really slow, so it does become a little bit frustrating. And then this one was no different, because I'd put everything in my basket and then it asked me to sign in, and then it took everything out of my basket and I had to go through the whole thing. So it literally took me about an hour and a half to order this lot, whereas normally it would probably take 5-10 minutes max. So anyway, enough of me wobbling, let's just go and dive in. So as you can see, it's lots of pink ink designs. I think everything in this is pink ink design, and it was literally 75% or more off, so like just couldn't resist it. Like these stamps I think was like £4 or something like that, as opposed to £18, and it is all Christmas related. And I said I would not buy any Christmas things this year, but I have done. I already have, and I'm buying more, and I really don't need to. And I'm thinking, where am I going to store all this, because all my Christmas stuff from last year is just still rammed. But I will find room just for this price and these gorgeous stamps. So the first one we've got is Sleigh Bells Ring, and it's a gorgeous robin there with the little girl and a little mouse. Well, it's actually a little fairy on a sleigh. We've got some little bells there. So, and then there's the stamp there. So I always felt like you got like this circle. I don't know why, but I did. But you don't. So there's your stamps there. So like you can see, you got the fairy and the fairy wings. So she can be a girl or she can be a fairy. It's up to you. And you got the sentiment, let it snow, some extra snowflakes, some winter gloves, some holly, more holly. So that was the first one. Then we've got In a Pear Tree, which is obviously a partridge. It's a lovely big stamp, like it's as big as my hand. And then you've got like lots of little extra bits, like I don't really like berries, I'm guessing, and flourishes and flowers and holly, and it says Let It Snow here again. So we've got a couple of Let It Snow sentiments, but just in a different font and a different way of writing it. And then we've got this Make a Wish, which again is another fairy. We got this lovely moon and stuff like that. So absolutely gorgeous stamps. And then the last stamp is the Winter Garden. I couldn't really tell what this was, to be honest, but now I can. Obviously it was a tree, but on the picture it was so small I really struggled. But now we've got a lovely tree, like a swirly whirly one, some bells, some more, lots of holly. So these are all going to mix and match within each other, being able to make scenes and stuff like that maybe. But yeah, so really like them. And then we got some papers. So we've got the 8x8 papers, and this is All Things Beautiful. So I'll just undo it and then you can have a look. As I was undoing it, I noticed here that we've got like some templates too. So that's cute. So we'll just go this way. So the oh no, they're not double-sided. I thought they was double-sided, but they're not. So they're really nice papers. They feel really nice quality. I'm not very good at this flicking malarkey. I thought that was 2 pieces, but it's actually only 1. I really like this one. You know what, I'm not going to try and flick through, I'm just going to go through it like properly. Then we've got some purple with some trees. Love this rabbit. I think that's the one that really caught my eye with this collection. And love that. That is so cute. It's just carding itself, really, isn't it? That is so nice. And look, got a template there as well, so you must be able to do something with this star. So that's really cool if you wanted to. Gorgeous background, and just look at that peacock. How gorgeous. Nice little cute robin. Some snowflakes. And love this unicorn. I mean, unicorns don't really say Christmas, but it's a winter paper. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I would still send that as a Christmas card. And then I don't know what this is, but it's some form of template. I can see that must make a box or something. So it's really cool. I didn't realise they had like these things on there. Then we've got some stars, and then I think we're just back to the beginning, so it's the same papers all over again. So that was the 8x8, and I think this was about £2, £3 max. And I ended up getting 2 of those. And then I got the blue hues to go with it. So these are just, I'm not going to undo it because you can see what the colours are here. Got some nice black backing papers to go with those. I thought to get 2 of the picture ones, and I was just going to get 1 of the plain because I've got lots of plain cards anyway, so I'm not necessarily going to use every time together. And then we got the rice papers to inspire. Now there's a video on these and they are stunning. So this is why I mainly place the order, if I'm honest. Obviously these are going to be very delicate because they are rice paper, but just look at that. How stunning is them? So I think you get 2 of each design. So we've got this design again. It matches the booklet. And then you get that, so you get 6 papers all in all of that one. And you know what, they don't feel as delicate as other rice papers, so I feel like it's a really good substantial one, which is good for people like me who's heavy-handed. So I got 2 of those. And then they had this other rice paper, which I'll get out and show you. Again, we've got like the same type of images that's in the box. So we've got 2 of each on this one again. So like this is the unicorn one. And another unicorn one. I absolutely love this one. Gorgeous. And then we've got this one, Unicorn Kisses one. So, and these rice papers was only £1 something. That's what I got 2. I think I got more than 2. Did I get 2 or 3? I can't even remember. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I got 3 of each, did I? Yeah, this is actually another one. On this one, we've got that same peacock again. Then we've got the peacock here, and then we've got lots of swirly trees. And then we've got some swirly peacock feathers. So yeah, so you can't grumble at £1 odd for 6 rice papers because they're usually a lot more expensive than that. And the last few are just the same papers but in 12x12, but I did get 2 of the 12x12 in the patterned again, and then just 1 in the plain. So, and they're just literally going to mirror what was in the actual 8x8 one. Yep, so that was my haul, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love it if you would please comment, subscribe. Just love any interaction. Come follow me over on Instagram or TikTok if you're not really a big fan on the YouTube. But yeah, so I'd like to say thanks for watching again, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.